Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and I'm going to start this project off with this Dollar Tree heart. I took a ruler and measured halfway down and drew a line. Well, maybe not halfway, but pretty close. And on the bottom half of this, I am going to stain with my antique wax. And I started off with a paintbrush, but then realized that it would probably be easier just to use a baby wipe up until I got to the line. Now, if you're not real great at painting, you can definitely tape off the line so that you don't get any on the top half. And I just made sure that I went really slow along that line as to not get any of the stain on the top half of the heart. And then I'm just going to take the brush and finish off the edge. So once I have that all on there, I'm going to take the top half and I'm going to paint that with an antique white. And again, just trying not to get any on the stain. As I said, you can definitely tape off if that's easier for you. And I just did one coat. I went really slow along the edge just to make sure that the line was even. Doesn't have to be completely even because we are going to cover up the line. So you won't see if you make a little mistake. So once I have that all painted and it's all dry, I'm going to set that aside. And I'm going to grab this little love word cutout from Hobby Lobby. And I got it in the Valentine's Day section. It came in a pack of like 4. It said a few different words. And I'm just going to give this a coat of the antique wax. And I used the pink one. And I think it comes with red and then an antique white color. I'm not really sure how many exactly were in the pack. But I'm just going to give this a quick coat of that antique wax. While that is drying, I'm going to take the heart, and where we separated the two colors on the heart, I'm going to take this lace ribbon that I had, and this is also from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to lay that right across the center of the heart. And just make sure that that's glued down. And then I'm also going to take this button ribbon, and I am going to run a bead of glue across the center of that lace ribbon, and I'm going to lay this button ribbon right on top of this. I love this button ribbon, and I use it any chance that I can get it because I absolutely love it. And this is also at Hobby Lobby. And once I have those both on there, I'm just going to take and cut off my excess. And look how pretty that is. It's pretty just as it is. I actually really love it just as it sits there. Next, I'm going to take our love cutout again, and I am going to glue that onto the left-hand side of the heart. And I kind of put it at like a little bit of an angle. And then I am going to take this napkin ring from Hobby Lobby, and it's in the spring section. And I'm just going to cut off the ring part. I really liked the flower itself, the burlap flower. So I'm just going to cut off the ring and use just the flower. And I'm going to glue that to the right-hand side. And then I took some wired twine and I kind of twisted it up a little bit, and I'm going to add that to the back side of the flower. I'm just going to kind of put a little bit of glue there and then slide it in. And look how beautiful this is turning out. Next, I'm going to take some of the antique wax from the antique white from the top half of the project and the back side of a paintbrush, and just put polka dots all over the bottom of the heart. Just in random spots, you can just do them wherever. And doing polka dots with the back of a paintbrush is so easy. Just placing them doesn't have to be perfect. You can kind of put them wherever you feel like it needs one. And that is it for my polka dots. And look how cute this is turning out. So once that was all dry, I'm going to take some sheer ribbon and I'm just going to push it through the back side of this where the hanger was from Dollar Tree, tie it in a knot, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side and cut off the excess. And this is going to be our hanger. And I think this just turned out so absolutely beautiful. I love the neutral colors, and this could be hung year round in like a little girl's bedroom or whatever. I think this just turned out so beautiful. I absolutely love it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.